Hey there friends, do you want to see how I made 10 sublimation pens in less than 20 minutes? Well, stay tuned. First, I disassembled my all-new PNW click pens super easily by twisting the tip off and removing the barrel. Then I make sure my press is preheating while I prep my pens for sublimation. I wish cutting in real life was this fast. Next, I use my Rolie Polie tool to wrap up my pens. I found this option on my phone called Hyperlapse, which basically turned this whole process into a 2-minute video. And I'm a little obsessed because now I can show everything start to finish in a super condensed timeline. Once my pens are all wrapped up, it's into the PenCreate they go. My PNW press is set to 370 degrees resting and 371 degrees printing with a time of 50 seconds. The press is what powers the PenCreate, and closing the handle starts the process. After the first 50 seconds, you open, rotate, and close for another 50 seconds. Remove those and start another batch. The PenCreate has 6 slots, so you can churn these out in no time at all. I like to wait before unwrapping my pens because it's way easier to do so when you don't have the heat gloves on. It's also easier to just work in batches. So unwrap, reassemble, and admire how quick, easy, and fun that was. This pen was adapted from a tumbler design by Emmy Print Company, and of course I have to show that click on and click off style. I adore this checkered design by Maple Dot Designs. Just doesn't seem like my camera agrees since it keeps wanting to go in and out of focus. This one is a design by Tumblers with Melissa on Etsy and was adapted from a tumbler design into a pen. This neutral flower pen design from Soul and Grace Designs is absolutely gorgeous in person. Can I just say how proud of myself I was for lining up this Kylene Designs pen design perfectly? I mean, where is my seam? This seamless design is perfect. These gorgeous feathers and more pen designs can be found at Southern Strands. This is such an elegant pen design. I just love this summery watermelon from Michelle Ray Designs, and she has an amazing collection of pen designs. Oh my goodness, this tumbler design from Trevor Joy turned into a pen worked perfectly, and it's totally a PNW. My phone really didn't want to focus on this 3D design by Debbie Does Design, but in person, those flowers totally pop. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Happy pressing!